When it comes to survival, having the right fixed blade knife can mean the difference between thriving and merely surviving. In this fourth installment of our Ultimate Survival series, we've handpicked 10 of the most reliable and battle-tested survival knives available on Amazon in 2025. These blades aren't just tools, they're lifelines designed for bushcraft, hunting, emergency situations, and everyday carry. From compact neck knives to rugged field blades, each one on this list delivers performance, durability, and functionality you can trust in the wild. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a serious prepper, these knives have you covered. The Tops Knives Bull Trout is a compact and rugged fixed blade designed for those who appreciate reliability in a small package. Originally created with fishermen in mind, this knife excels in various outdoor and EDC tasks. It features a 2.75-inch full tang 1.5 stainless steel blade, providing exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. Perfect for wet environments. The contoured burlap micarta handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even in slippery conditions. Despite its small size, the Bull Trout offers excellent control and cutting precision, making it ideal for tasks like cleaning fish, preparing food, or whittling wood. Weighing only 3 ounces, this knife is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. It comes with a sturdy leather sheath for safe and stylish belt carry. Whether you're out fishing, camping, or need a dependable EDC fixed blade, the Tops Bull Trout delivers impressive performance in a compact form. The SOG Ace Fixed Blade is a budget-friendly, yet reliable option for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Featuring a 3.8-inch 7C R17 MOV stainless steel blade, it offers a sharp edge with good corrosion resistance, making it a practical choice for various cutting tasks. The clip-point blade shape is versatile, allowing for efficient slicing, piercing, and precision work, whether you're out camping, hiking, or tackling daily chores. The textured thermoplastic rubber handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, ensuring your hand stays firmly in place during use. The jimping on the spine adds extra control, making it easy to maneuver for detailed tasks. The Ace comes with a molded nylon sheath that's lightweight and durable, featuring a belt loop for convenient carry. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just starting your bushcraft journey, the SOG Ace Fixed Blade delivers dependable performance without breaking the bank. The off-grade all-day Fixie is a compact, full-tang fixed blade knife designed to be your reliable companion for everyday carry and outdoor tasks. It features a 3.5-inch cryo-D to steel blade with a black wash finish, offering excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and a non-reflective surface ideal for tactical or discreet use. Its drop-point design ensures versatility, capable of handling slicing, piercing, and utility tasks with ease. The handle is fully skeletonized, making it ultra-lightweight while still offering a solid grip. Weighing in at just 4.4 ounces, the all-day Fixie is lightweight yet tough, making it perfect for belt or neck carry. It comes with a custom-molded Kydex sheath and a multi-position belt clip for maximum flexibility. Whether you're hitting the trail, prepping for emergencies, or just need a dependable EDC blade, the all-day Fixie lives up to its name, ready all day, every day. The Buck 113 Ranger Skinner is a compact fixed blade that blends traditional style with practical performance, making it a favorite for EDC and field use alike. It features a 3.1 to 5-inch drop-point blade made from high-quality 420HC stainless steel, offering excellent edge retention and easy maintenance. The blade shape is optimized for slicing, skinning, and general utility tasks, while the full tang construction ensures strength and reliability. Its standout feature is the beautiful handle, crafted from genuine walnut or other premium materials depending on the model, providing a classic aesthetic and a comfortable grip. The ergonomic curves fit naturally in the hand, allowing for controlled precision during detailed work. It also comes with a genuine leather sheath for secure belt carry, adding to its everyday functionality. Whether you're an outdoorsman or someone who appreciates a refined yet capable tool, the Buck 113 Ranger Skinner offers timeless reliability in a compact package. The QSP Canary Fixed Blade is a versatile and budget-friendly knife designed for everyday carry, bushcraft, and outdoor tasks. With a 4-point to 5-inch drop-point blade made from CR8 Motiv SI steel, it offers excellent edge retention and durability, making it suitable for a variety of cutting tasks. The full-tang construction ensures strength and reliability, while the ergonomic micarta handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. Its overall length of 9 inches and weight of approximately 7 ounces strike a balance between portability and functionality. The knife comes with a Kydex sheath featuring a rotatable belt loop, allowing for versatile carry options to suit your preference. Whether you're camping, hiking, or handling daily tasks, the QSP Canary Fixed Blade delivers dependable performance in a compact and affordable package. The Cold Steel Mini Tac Tanto is a compact yet powerful neck knife designed for self-defense and everyday utility. Featuring a 3.75-inch Tanto blade made from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance while maintaining a razor-sharp cutting edge. The full flat grind and reinforced tip make it highly effective for piercing and slashing tasks. Its lightweight Griv-X handle is textured for a secure grip, ensuring superior control even in wet conditions. Weighing just 2.7 ounces, this knife is incredibly easy to carry, and the Secure X sheath allows for quick deployment. Whether you need a reliable self-defense tool or a compact EDC knife for cutting tasks, the Mini Tac Tanto delivers outstanding performance in a small, easy-to-conceal package. It's built for toughness, precision, and quick access, perfect for those who value both functionality and portability in a neck knife. The Cobb RBK11 Becker Naycare is a compact, high-performance neck knife designed for durability, versatility, and ease of carry. Crafted from 1095 Crowvan steel, the 3-point to 5-inch drop-point blade provides excellent toughness, edge retention, and cutting power, making it a reliable choice for everyday carry, survival, and self-defense situations. Its skeletonized handle keeps it lightweight at just 3 ounces, while offering multiple grip options for enhanced control. The included hard plastic sheath ensures secure retention and allows for multiple carry options, whether around the neck or on a belt. Designed by Ethan Becker, the BK11 is built for those who need a tough, no-nonsense fixed blade in a compact form. Whether you're slicing, piercing, or tackling outdoor tasks, this knife delivers impressive strength and practicality in a small, easily accessible package. A must-have for EDC enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Gear up for your next outdoor adventure with the Schrade SCHF36 Frontier. Built for bushcrafting, this knife features a 5.05-inch full-tang blade made from rugged 1095 high-carbon steel, coated in black powder for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. Whether you're chopping wood, building shelters, or preparing food, the SCHF36 is designed to handle it all. What sets it apart is the versatile spine, which doubles as a striker for starting fires with a ferro rod. The textured handle ensures a solid, secure grip in any weather conditions, while the black nylon sheath keeps it easily accessible. The sheath even comes with a handy storage pouch, equipped with a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone, ensuring you're fully prepared for any task. With the Schrade SCHF36 Frontier by your side, you're ready for whatever the wild throws your way. Tackle any challenge head-on with the LionSteel T5B Fixed Blade Knife. This powerhouse tool is built to endure the toughest outdoor tasks, from cutting and chopping to prying. Featuring a 5-inch Nylock steel blade with a black stone-washed finish, the T5B offers exceptional edge retention and strength, making it the go-to knife for heavy-duty work. The black micarta handle integrates seamlessly with the full-tang design, delivering a rock-solid grip that ensures comfort during extended use. With an extended tang that doubles as a striker or glass breaker, the T5B adds extra functionality to your gear, making it more than just a blade. Packaged with a MUL-compatible leather sheath, the T5B is ready for any adventure. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or navigating the campsite, this knife will serve you with unmatched reliability and durability. For outdoor enthusiasts who demand the best, the LionSteel T5B is your ultimate companion. The Condor Bushlore is a tried-and-true bushcraft knife, built for those who demand reliability in the wilderness. With its 4.3-inch 1075 high-carbon steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention and ease of sharpening, making it perfect for carving, batoning, and other survival tasks. The blade features a classic Scandi grind, which enhances cutting efficiency while maintaining durability. The full-tang construction ensures strength, while the beautifully contoured walnut handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. To top it off, the Bushlore comes with a handcrafted leather sheath, offering both protection and easy access when you're on the go. Whether you're a seasoned bushcrafter or just starting out, the Condor Bushlore is a budget-friendly, no-nonsense knife that excels in real-world outdoor applications.